So, what I have built is an AI security threat monitoring agent, a tool that solves the real problem that SOC teams face every day. They're drowning in thousands of alerts and can't tell what's a genuine attack and what's a novel traffic. My agent takes raw web services logs, for example, I have used NASA access logs for this, completely unstructured text, and runs them through a 7-stage pipeline entirely on the local machine, no cloud APIs involved. The first two stages handle the passing and cleaning, pulling up the IP address. These are the first two stages. They pass the log and then further send it further for analysis. Then it builds what I call as a behavioral fingerprint for each IP. 11 signals like how many requests they made, what fraction returned errors, and how many 404s they hit. Whether they were firing requests faster than a human can click, or how diverse the URLs they assessed were. Here's where the AI comes in. I feed all those into fingerprints into an isolation forest. An unsupervised machine learning model that doesn't need labeled data. It learns what normal traffic looks like across all IPs and flags the statistical outliers automatically. It also gives each IP an anomaly score so I can rank threats by how unusual they are. On top of that, I've built a rule-based correlation. Same real SOC analyst would use that classifies each incidents as high, medium, or low severity. For example, I have done it like this. That, uh, for example, but the main part is that actually solves the problem statement, explaining attack patterns in simple language. In this, every incident gets sent to a local LLM. I've used Llama for this. You can use any other LLM, local LLM, or even the Cloud API. What I have done is in this, every incident gets sent to a local LLM running through Alarm. I give it a SOC analysis system prompt and structured evidence, and it writes back a plain English explanation of what the attacker is doing, what they are trying to achieve, and what happens if they succeed, and what you should do about it. For example, this is the prompt I have written, and this is all the things that I would do. For example, I have given it all the summary, all the data that I have collected in the upper values. I have also written code for each of the scripts, for example, the passing script, the instance script, the visual script, etc. And then in the end, the final output is a full report with executive summary, false positive filtering with reasoning, per threat AI explanation, a prioritized response plan, and an Excel report. The key design decisions were made runs fully offline so no sensitive log data ever leaves your machine. Reuse Reuses the detection logic from use the detection logic and is battle tested and uses ML to catch anomalies that pure rules would miss. This is the whole code.